going to show the Elastic Path payments, which is powered by Stripe. So this is the Elastic Path Commerce Cloud, and I'm just going into the store settings just to show how it will look like. So this is the Elastic Path payment powered by Stripe. I have already configured this in a test mode. Now I'm going to go into storefront and show you how your customer is going to place an order and how it is going to look like in Elastic Path and also in this Stripe. So let's say your customer wanted to buy a coat. It's been added into the cart, going into the checkout flow, selecting the shipping address, and this is how the Stripe element will appear. Now, Stripe will provide a many payment type, like a default is card. There is a Klarna, Afterpay. You can also select Apple Pay. There are various other payment types which you can choose from the Stripe. Now, I'm going to use the Stripe link. This is a link network where I can select if I wanted to save my details in the link. So let's say if I wanted to select it, and now I'll place an order. So I've clicked on the place order. Order has been placed successfully. I can now go into the order section and see that yes, one of the users have placed an order. In this order, I can go and look into that. Yes, this is an Elastic Path payment Stripe. Payment is right now is authorized. It's not captured. I can see an external reference, which is nothing but a Stripe intent ID. So I can copy this. I can go to now the Stripe dashboard if I wanted to look into this specific intent. Now this is the Stripe account where you can see this has been managed by Elastic Path Payments. I can either search for this specifically the payment intent, which is exactly same. You can see the payment method is link and all other details will appear here. All the activity will come, that what time it has been created, what time authorized. You can see that this is coming as an uncaptured. So let me go into Elastic Path Commerce Cloud and mark this as captured. And I can see that this is coming as succeeded. Now you might have noticed that this is converting to euro because my store has been created in the euro. So that's why it is converting from pound to euro. I'll create another order now. I wanted to utilize already saved information in the Stripe link. So I'll give the same email address which I have given earlier. Now, because the Stripe link already have my details, so they will send me an SMS and my card detail, which I have already saved, which is appearing here, and I can directly place an order. Again, exactly the same thing. Order will be created for this order as an authorized. I mean, if you can choose, you wanted to authorize and capture same time, or you wanted to authorize first and capture it later. So in this scenario, we are authorizing it first and capturing it later, but you can capture at the same time of the another way to look into in the payments, you'll able to see all the details in the payments if you don't want it to search by the payment intent.